How to change font size in Microsoft Word app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily adjust the text size for better readability or formatting on Microsoft Word. First things first, launch open the Word application from Microsoft on your smartphone and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open up an existing document or tap a blank document to create a new one and write some text into it. I'm just going to open up one existing document over here. Once you're inside the documents, go ahead and select one of the texts you'd like to change the font size for. Once you go ahead and press hold on the text, you'll see this highlighter generated. Select the text you'd like to change the font for by dragging with the help of your fingers, and once you select the specific text, click on Edit. Once you're in the edit mode, you will see a couple of options displayed at the bottom. To change your font size, go ahead and scroll through the options and click the three dots at the very end on the right. You'll then see this option where you need to go click on the number at the top. From here, you can change the font size. To increase the font size, drag the white slider towards the right-hand side, and you'll be able to see that the selected text has changed its size. To decrease the size, drag the white slider all the way towards the left, go ahead and find your preferred size, and then once done, you'll see that the text has changed its font size. To apply the change, tap anywhere outside the menu. And there you go! You have successfully changed the font size of a specific text on Microsoft Word. You can also select all of the text at once by highlighting it, and then repeat the same step to change your entire font size on Microsoft Word app. So that's how you easily do it. Your text will now appear bigger or smaller as needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.